Bioluminescence is nature's way of illuminating the darkness. Some creatures glow to attract mates, deter predators, or capture prey. Picture fireflies lighting up the night, or fascinating deep-sea organisms that create their radiant display. Now, let's explore 11 extraordinary species that shine in their unique way. Crystal jellyfish. Crystal jellyfish drift through the Pacific, glowing a soft green to confuse predators. These dinner plate-sized jellies shine brightest in dark, calm waters, their luminescence powered by a special protein within them. Though harmless to humans, they serve as food for larger sea creatures. Imagine swimming at night and spotting one, like a tiny lantern in the deep. It's remarkable how such a delicate creature can illuminate the ocean beautifully. Found commonly off North America's west coast, their shimmering light helps them evade danger, turning the sea into a captivating spectacle. Floating with effortless grace, they add a touch of magic to the depths. This subtle yet stunning shimmer is a brilliant survival tactic, a true gift from the ocean. Firefly. Fireflies blink through summer nights, each species flashing a unique signal to attract mates, like nature's secret code. Their yellow-green glow, powered by oxygen, is both mesmerizing and a warning to predators that they taste bitter. Thriving in warm, humid places, they are becoming harder to spot as city lights grow brighter. At dusk, their flickering dance transforms fields into luminous scenery, a silent language of light that feels almost magical. Though small, they leave a lasting impact, turning ordinary nights into unforgettable spectacles. Their rhythmic flashes feel like whispers in the dark, a quiet conversation between tiny beacons. As their numbers decline, preserving their delicate beauty becomes more important than ever. Disco clam. In the vibrant coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific, disco clams put on a dazzling light show, flashing bright white as they nestle in rocky crevices. Unlike bioluminescent creatures, their gleam isn't chemical, it's a clever trick of reflection. Their fleshy lips contain highly reflective silica, bouncing sunlight in rapid bursts like a strobe light. This hypnotic display may serve multiple purposes, startling predators, attracting plankton, or even signaling nearby clams. Divers are captivated by their rhythmic flashes, which make reefs feel alive, like an underwater dance party. Though small, about the size of a golf ball, their bold presence is impossible to ignore. Nature has given these clams a striking way to stand out, proving that survival can be as much about spectacle as strategy. Mauve stinger. Mauve stinger jellyfish glow blue when disturbed, lighting up warm seas like the Mediterranean. Their bioluminescent flashes act as a warning, startling predators in the dark, wavy waters. This dazzling display comes from special cells that ignite in response to movement. Despite their soft, purplish luminescence, these jellies are resilient, thriving in open oceans. Though their sting causes mild itching, they pose no harm to humans. Night swimmers often witness their shimmering presence, turning the sea into an ethereal spectacle. Watching them flicker across the waves feels almost otherworldly, like nature's fireworks illuminating the depths. Though common, their radiant light never fails to captivate, a brilliant reminder of the ocean's hidden wonders. Glowing mushrooms. Glowing mushrooms illuminate the damp forests of Japan and Australia with their eerie green luminescence, turning decaying wood into luminous landscapes. Their bioluminescence attracts insects, helping spread spores for survival. Strongest in humid air, their radiance is rare but amazing. These tiny coin-sized fungi resemble scattered fairy lights in the undergrowth, a quiet marvel of nature's creativity. Their shimmer, produced by a chemical reaction, is delicate yet captivating. Imagine walking through a dark forest and suddenly spotting these luminous fungi, like hidden gems scattered across the forest floor. Though small, they remind us that even the simplest organisms can create breathtaking beauty, emitting just enough to fulfill their purpose. Sea gooseberry. Sea gooseberries drift through oceans worldwide, their delicate, grape-sized bodies scattering light like tiny lanterns. Their hair-like structures refract light into shimmering flashes, adding to the glowing spectacle of waves at night. Though their bioluminescence is faint, it helps deter predators in dark waters. Using long, sticky tentacles, they skillfully catch plankton, their transparent bodies making their brilliance even more striking. You might spot them in mesmerizing videos of sparkling seas, proof that even the smallest creatures can create breathtaking beauty. Despite their name, they are not jellyfish, but their radiance can brighten patches of ocean. Floating effortlessly, they emit light to survive, twinkling in the deep like nature's quiet light show. Though delicate, their presence leaves a lasting impression. Glowworm. Glowworms, the luminous larvae of flies, turn New Zealand's caves into glowing wonders. Hanging sticky, shimmering threads, they trap insects in places like Wetomo. Their blue light scatters across the darkness, making the cave ceiling resemble a starry sky. Though tiny, their brilliance is strong enough to lure prey. In damp caves, thousands gather, creating an underground galaxy. Tourists flock to witness this hidden marvel, where the caves seem alive with their radiant shimmer. More than a spectacle, their phosphorescent light is a clever hunting tool, drawing insects toward their silken traps. It's incredible how such small creatures create such breathtaking beauty, nature at its most brilliant. Plumose anemone. In the cold waters of the North Atlantic, plumose anemones glow faintly green when touched, adding a subtle shimmer to the ocean floor. Though they resemble delicate, fluffy flowers, they are skilled hunters, using sticky tentacles to catch plankton drifting by. Their bioluminescence, triggered by a chemical reaction, may serve as a defense mechanism, startling predators or luring unsuspecting prey. Night divers often witness their warm glow, a hidden gem in the depths. Despite their quiet presence, they prove that even the stillest creatures can shine. Common yet often overlooked, they thrive in cold, rugged environments, their resilience a testament to nature's quiet brilliance. Their gentle radiance is a reminder of the ocean's endless wonders, a soft but unbelievable display of life beneath the waves. The common northern comb jelly. The common northern comb jelly drifts through coastal waters, scattering rainbow-like flashes that light up the waves at night. Its transparent body bends light into mesmerizing patterns, confusing predators and attracting plankton. Despite its fragile walnut-sized form, this jelly creates a breathtaking spectacle. Using sticky cells, it effortlessly captures prey, its soft glow turning deep waters into a shimmering display. Though often mistaken for jellyfish, it belongs to a different group. Found in warm coastal waters, it paints the ocean with light, proving that even the simplest creatures can leave a profound influence. Sea pen. Deep in the North Atlantic, sea pens stand like quills embedded in the ocean floor. But they are not single organisms. They are colonies of tiny creatures working together. When touched, they emit a soft blue glow, possibly to scare off predators or help them communicate. Floating gently with ocean currents, they illuminate the dark waters with their quiet radiance. Though not as famous as fireflies, their gentle yet spellbinding shimmer reveals the hidden beauty of the deep sea. They are resilient, thriving in cold, harsh waters, forming a bioluminescent beneath the waves, a breathtaking sight few ever witness. Hawaiian bobtail squid. In Hawaii's shallow waters, the tiny Hawaiian bobtail squid glows in the dark, using symbiotic bacteria to mimic moonlight and vanish from predators. Just an inch long, this clever cephalopod hunts shrimp at night while staying nearly invisible. By day, it buries itself in the sand, waiting for nightfall to resume its stealthy routine. The squid and its bacteria work in harmony, creating an adaptive light that shines brightest in calm waters, a brilliant survival trick. Imagine a tiny squid lighting up the sea, like a hidden superhero of the ocean. Though small, its bioluminescent presence is a quiet marvel of nature's ingenuity.